Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn circles. Already you know that the circle. What is a circle? What is a circle? The perimeter of a circle is called a circumference. It is distance around a circle. It is distance around a circle. So say the given examples for circle. Given examples for a circle: ball, ring, bangles. Next one, Olympic rings. So etc. Okay, so these are the examples for the circle. So for example of a circle in sports, Olympic rings, Olympic games. So 5 rings in the logo of Olympic games. What is a circle? A circle is a closed curve in a plane. A circle is a closed curve in a plane. A circle can be drawn with the help of a circular object. For example, a circle drawn with the help of a coin. Circle drawn with the help of a coin. Okay. So, what is a circle? The perimeter of a circle is called a circumference. The distance around the circle. Circle and center of a circle. A circle is a closed curve consisting of all points in a plane or a chord at the same distance from the fixed point inside it. This fixed point inside a circle is called a center. Inside is called a center. A circle has one and only one center. Circle is called has a only one center. Having only one center. A circle is a closed curve consisting of all points in a plane. So, in a plane which at the same distance from the fixed point inside it. So, center. So, that is a fixed point. Center is a fixed point. Same distance. So, same distance means equal. Same means equal. So, all the plane having the same distance from the fixed point inside it. This fixed point inside a circle is called a center. A circle has one and only one center. So what is a radius? A line segment that joins any point on the circle to its center is called a radius. So a line segment that joins any point on the circle to its center is called a radius. So, center of the point is O. So, any line you can draw. You can draw any line. So, wherever you draw the line that is called a radius. Okay. So, a line segment that joins any point on the circle to its center is called a radius. Radii. So, radii of a circle are equal in length. Radii of a circle is called equal in length. So, infinite number of radius can be drawn in a circle. So infinite. So, we can draw infinite line of a circle. Infinite line in a circle. Radii of a circle are equal in length. Infinite number of radius can be drawn in a circle. So, diameter. A line segment that joins any 2 points on the circle and passes through its center is called a diameter. So diameter means split the circle. So we can draw the center of the line in a circle. A line segment that joins any 2 points on the circle and passes through its center is called diameter. That is called the diameter. So next one is infinite number of diameters can be drawn in a circle as the radii of a circle are equal in length. Its diameter to are equal in length. So equal in an infinite number of diameters can be drawn in a circle as the radii of a circle are equal in length. It is diameter to or equal in length. So split the circle of draw the any 3 lines. So in a center. So split into the circle. So A to B, B to Q and N. Infinite number of diameters can be drawn in a circle. As the radii of a circle are equal in length, its diameter too are equal in length. So next one is a radius OM. Radius OM. Radius OM. So diameter means split into the circle. Diameter means split into the circle. Radius OM equal to OM equal to ON. OM equal to OM. Diameter Mn equal to radius. Diameter Mn equal to radius. So diameter Mn equal to radius OM equal to OM plus radius OM. The length of the diameter of circle is twice the length of its radius. It's twice the length of its radius. So diameter equal to twice the length of its radius. That means OM Mn equal to, so Mn. Mn means split the circle of a radius M to N. So twice the length of its radius OM plus ON. OM plus ON, that is a diameter. OM plus ON is equal to diameter. So diameter Mn. Mn equal to OM plus ON. OM plus ON. The length of the diameter of a circle is twice the length of its radius. So next one, chord. A is a point on a circle. A is a point on a circle. B is another point on a circle. B is another point on a circle. A is a point on a circle. B is another point on a circle. So chord. So we can draw any side of the line, any side of inside in a circle, any side of line in a circle, A to B. A line segment that joins a point A and B. Line segment joins a point A and B. We can draw any side in a circle. So mark A, B, B, Q, M, N. These are called the chord. So now we can the name of a circle A to B. Name of the line segment A to B. Line segment A to B. A line segment that joins points A and B. So center of the point is O. A line segment that joins any 2 points on the circle is called a chord. A line segment that joins any 2 points on the circle is called a chord. So next one is a chord. So chord means, already know that the chord, we can draw any line in a circle, any line draw inside the circle, that is called the chord. So chord Mn, Lk. So it is a diameter. C and D is a diameter. So diameter split into the 2 radius 2r. So diameter equal to 2r. So OC, OD. Okay. So diameter is also a chord of the circle. Diameter is also a chord of the circle. Next one, infinite number of chords can be drawn in a circle. Infinite number of chords can be drawn in a circle. Chord M to N, C to H and L to K. So infinite number of chords can be drawn in a circle. Next one is a secant. So secant means K to C. Lines that contain a chord O, center of the circle is O. It is a line that intersects the circle at any 2 points on the circle. At any 2 points on the circle. So already know that the chord and secant, it is the same in a circle. So line draw, we can draw any side. So that is called the secant. Lines that contains a chord. So these lines contains a chord. So that is means a green color. Green color line segment is a chord. So secant, that is a secant or chord. So any it is a line that intersects the circle at any 2 points on the circle. Arc. An arc is the distance between any 2 points on the circumference of a circle. An arc is a distance between any 2 points on the circumference of a circle. Already know that the arc. So examples of arc: rainbow, arch. That is a arc. Okay. Examples for the arc, etc. So an arc is the distance between any 2 points on the circumference of a arc. Naming an arc. Naming an arc. An arc is named by 3 points of which 2 are the end points of the arc. And third one lies between them. Naming an arc is named by 3 times of which 2 are the end points of the arc and the third one lies between them. That is called the arc. Examples of an arc. Already you know that rainbow, arch. Area of a semicircle. A semicircle is just half of a circle. To find the area of a semicircle, we just take half of the area of the circle. So semicircle means circle is split into the semicircle. Circle is split into the semicircle. A semicircle is just half of a circle. To find the area of a semicircle, we just take half of the area of a circle. So the formula for the area of a semicircle is area is equal to 1 by 2 pi r square. Area equal to 1 by 2 pi r square. Area equal to 1 by 2 pi r square. What is a pi? What is a pi? Pi equal to circumference by diameter. Pi equal to circumference by diameter. So diameter was a constant and equal to a little more than 3. Okay. So pi is a irrational number. Pi is a irrational number, not a rational number, and it is a decimal expansion. Does not terminate or repeat. That is a irrational number of pi. So have any known pattern. Mathematics have worked out its value to a several thousand places and it has never terminated nor repeated. So pi is a decimal place of 3.141. So 3.14. Usually we use the pi is a value of 3.14. So area of a semicircle 1 by 2 into pi r square. 1 by 2 into pi r square. Example of a semicircle. Area of a semicircle. Area equal to 1 by 2 pi r square. 1 by 2 into 3.142 into 4 square. So area of a semicircle. Radius r is equal to 4. So 4 into 4. We get a value 25.14 centimeter square. Did you understand? Area equal to 1 by 2 pi r square. So 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 into 3.142 into 4 square. So 4 into 4. So strike out the value 4, 2. So multiply, we get a value 25.14 centimeter square. Sector. A sector is a part of a circle enclosed by the two radii of a circle and their interrupted arc. That is an interrupted arc. So minor arc, that is a major sector. Sorry, minor sector. So cone shaped is a sector. So these so the theta minus sector is a small region. Major sector is a bigger region. Okay. So that is called the sector. Area of a sector. So area equal to n by 360 degree pi r square. N by 360 degree pi r square. So 45 degree by 360 degree into 3.142 into 6 square. 3.142 into 6 square. So 1 by 8 into 3.142 into 36. So cancel it. So we get a value 14.14 centimeter square. 14.14 centimeter square. So area of a sector, area equal to n by 360 degree pi r square. 45 degree by 360 degree into 3.142 into 6 square. So 1 by 8 into 3.142 into 36. We get a value 14.14 centimeter square. Area of a sector. So area of a sector formula 1 by 2 r square theta. 1 by 2 r square theta. 1 by 2 5 square into 1.4. 5 into 5 17.5 centimeter square. Radius r is equal to 7 centimeter. R is equal to 7 centimeter. So diameter d. So d equal to 2 r. Diameter d equal to 2 r. So 2 into 7 equal to 14 centimeter. 2 sevens are 14. Circumference c equal to pi d. C equal to pi d. So pi value 22 by 7. So another one value 3.14. So what 22 by 7 into 14. So cancel it. So 7 2s are 14. 22 into 2 44 centimeter. Do you understand? Next one, diameter d is equal to 28. So convert into radius. D by 2. 28 by 2. So we get a value of 14 centimeter of a radius. Circumference formula C equal to 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 14. So cancel it. So 7 2s are 14. So 2 into 22 into 2. 88 centimeter. Next one, in the given figure, find the area of a shaded region. Find the shaded region. So in a square, area of a square, a square. Area of a square, a square. So square is a side, a square side. A is equal to 10 centimeter. So area of a square. First we find the area of a square. 10 into 10, 100 centimeter square. Area of a circle, pi r square. Area of a circle, pi r square. So pi into r square. Pi value 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. So 0.5. So 77 by 2 centimeter square. So we get a value 38.5 centimeter square. Area of a shaded portion 100 centimeter square minus 38.5 centimeter square. So we get a value 61.5 centimeter square. So first we find the area of a square. Second we find the area of a circle. So area of a square formula a square. Next area of a circle formula pi r square. So area of a square value 100 centimeter square. Area of a circle value 38.5 centimeter square. So just we subtract area of a shaded portion 100 minus 38.5. We get the value 61.5 centimeter square. Circumference C is equal to 72.6 centimeter. C equal to 2 pi r. C equal to circumference formula C equal to 2 pi r. So 2 into, so circumference value 72.6 equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. So next one 1 by 72.6 into 1 by 2 into 7 by 22. So reciprocal, form a reciprocal. So radius we get a value 11.55 centimeter. Diameter d equal to 2r. 2 into 11.55 we get a value 23.1 centimeter. The radius of a circular garden 56 meter. What would it cost to put a 4 round fence around this garden at the rate of 40 rupees per meter? Radius of a circular garden r is equal to 56 meter. R is equal to 56 meter. Circumference of a circular garden C equal to 2 pi r. C equal to 2 pi r. C equal to 22 by 7 into 56. So cancel it. 8 7s are 56. We get a value 352 meter. Length of the wire needed for 1 round of a fencing. So fencing C circumference C equal to 352 meter. Cost of the round fencing equal to length of the wire into cost per meter. 352 into 40. We get a value of 14,080 rupees. Cost of 4 round of fencing 4 into 14,018. We get a value 56,320 rupees. Radius of a circular garden r is equal to 56 meter. Circumference of a circular garden C is equal to 2 pi r. C is equal to 22 by 7 into 56. So we get a value 352 meter. So next one is the length of the wire needed for 1 round of fencing. One round of fencing circumference equal to 352 meter. Cost of 1 round of fencing equal to length of wire into cost per meter. So 352 into 40 we get a value 14,080 rupees. Cost of 4 round of fencing means 4 is multiplied by 14,080. So we get a value 56,320 rupees. The wheel of a pullock cart has a diameter of 1.4 meter. How many rotations will the wheel complete as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer? Diameter of the wheel D is equal to 1.4 meter. Circumference equal to C equal to pi t. 22 by 7 into 1.4 equal to 4.4 meter. When the wheels complete one rotation, it covers a distance that is equal to the circumference. So number of rotation taken by the wheel to cover 4.4 meter equal to 1. So the wheel covered the total distance of 1.1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1.1 kilometer equal to 1.1 into 1000 meters equal to 1100 meter. Total number of rotation. Total distance by circumference. 1100 by 4.4. So multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by 10 by 10. So 11,000 by 44. We get a value 250. The wheel completes 250 rotation to a cover of a distance 1.1 kilometer. We get a value 250 rotation. The perimeter of a circle 176 centimeter. Find its radius. The perimeter of a circle is equal to 176. So perimeter of a circle formula 2 pi r equal to 176. So find the radius. 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 176. 176 into 7 by 2 into 22. So cancel it. So cancel it. We get a value 4 into 7, 28 centimeter. 4 7 are 28 centimeter. The radius of a circle 3.5 centimeter. Find its circumference and area. Radius 3.5 centimeter. Circumference 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5. So we get a value 22 centimeter. Area formula pi r square. 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. 77 by 2. We get a value 38.5 centimeter square. Do you understand? The radius of a circle 3.5 centimeter. Find its circumference and area. Radius 3.5 centimeter. Circumference 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5. We get a value 22 centimeter. So area pi r square. So area of a circle pi r square. 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. We get a value 38.5 centimeter square. Area of a circle is 154 centimeter square. Area of a circle. Okay. So find its circumference. Find its circumference. So pi r square is equal to 154. So 22 by 7 into r square equal to 154. R square is equal to 154 into 7 by 22. Cancel it. So 22 7s are 154. 7 into 7, 49. So r square is equal to 7 square. Square cancel. We get a value of a radius r is equal to 7 centimeter. Circumference of the circle 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. 7 cancel. 2 into 22. So 44 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the figure given below. Perimeter of the given figure, circumference of the semicircle plus diameter. Circumference of the semicircle plus diameter. Pi r plus 2r. Pi r plus 2r. 22 by 7 into 7 plus 2 into 7. So 7 cancel 22. 2 7s are 14. So 22 plus 14, 36 centimeter. So record perimeter is 36 centimeter. Find the area of a shaded portions in the figure given below. So one square inside having two semicircle. So find the shaded portion. Area of a rectangle L into B. So 14 into area of a square. So area of a square, not a rectangle. Okay, area of a square 14 into a square 14 into 14. So 14 into 14, 196 centimeter square. Radius of a semicircle 14 by 2. So 7 centimeter. Area of a 2 equal semicircle 2 into 1 by. So area of 2 equal semicircle. Okay. So 2 into semicircle formula 1 by 2 pi r square. 1 by 2 pi into r square. So 2 into 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into r square values. R value 7. 7 into 7. So 2 cancel. 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 7 cancel. So 22 7s are 154 centimeter square. Area of a shaded region 196 centimeter square minus 154 centimeter square. We get a value 42 centimeter square. Okay. Find the area of a shaded portion in the given figure given below. So 1 square root, 2 inside having a 2 semicircle. So first we find the area of a square. A square 14 into 14, we get a value 196 centimeter. So radius of a semicircle 14 by 2, 7 centimeter. So 2 equals semicircle 2 into 1 by 2 into pi r square. So 2 cancel pi r square. 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 7 cancel. 154 centimeter square. Area of a shaded portion 196 minus 154 centimeter square.